What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Verge Customs. I appreciate you stopping by. Today we're going to do something new. Just picked up a little small smelting furnace off of Amazon. Little kit. Comes with a furnace, 6 kilogram crucible, some tongs, gloves, safety glasses. Not a bad little kit, seems like. We're going to test it out today, see what's going on. We kind of want to consolidate some of our scrap here in the shop, around the shop, and got a couple other ideas if things work out right. Maybe some casting and some other things. But let's take a look at this thing and see how it does. Alright, well, we've got our little furnace fired up. We got some cans here that's already been through campfire once. We're going to melt those down and maybe some more and see what we can come up with for the day. Don't take long for them diggers to breathe. Not sure exactly how hot it is in there, but you can see the melting temperature for aluminum is 1221 degrees Fahrenheit. So we know it's hotter than that. Man, these things here are brand new. Already starting to burn through the thumb there. Burning through the end of the finger a little bit. So, yeah. She's hot. Some heat in, let those guys get good and melted. See what we got. Alright, now look here. I ain't gonna promise what's gonna happen. Don't try this at home. You should always have the proper tools and equipment to do what you're doing. I'm pretty sure these tongs down here are not proper for pouring that crucible. Got my molds preheating here. Pretty sure that pan right there is not rated for what I might end up doing with it if I have any left over from these 2 ingots. So, don't know what's going to happen there either. But, I guess we're going to see. Hold on. Alright, so we did a couple of different burns, a couple of different pours. Sorry for the low quality of the pour that we got, which I think was this ingot here. This was actually all the slag. I went through all the slag from all the burns and pulled out all the high quality slag, and we came up with this one. This is the first one I poured. And this one came out pretty smooth. I have polished it up a little bit, but not much. But it came out with a pretty smooth texture to it. Now, all the rest of the pours got this bubbly look to them. Now, like I say, I'm brand new to this, and this thing ain't gonna focus for me. Come on, focus, man. I don't know if I poured it when it was too hot or what I did, but did get 2 full bars. This one I've polished on some, and it still looks like it's going to polish out nice, even though it's all bubbly. Could still be usable for something besides scrap, I think, but CNC machine is not affordable at the moment, so we're going to have to wait on that. But yeah, we've got those, and the gloves that I already showed you, we're starting to come apart. I've got thumb and 2 fingers now. The tips are completely burned through the outer layer. But they're still thermally protective. You just got to be careful which way you're angled. And it's best to stay the heck away from there anyway. So a little bit of sensitivity on the fingertips isn't going to be a bad thing, because it'll tell you when you're in too hot of a spot. But these things are pretty good for what they are. And I'm going to give this thing a thumbs up. Well, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Once again, I appreciate you stopping by. Check out some of the other videos I've got. Nothing's great. I'm going to go ahead and tell you now, I'm still kind of new to this. So, new to the whole smelting thing. Don't roast me too hard for that. Some tips and pointers would be nice. Also on the cinematography and just the whole content creation altogether. Brand new to it. Well, not brand new, but still getting the hang of it. But, you know, let me know down in the comments what you want to see more of. If you liked this video, go ahead and click the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. We've got a lot of plans for the future and a lot of things coming up. We're working on some new content, and we're actually working on a new property down in the Carolinas. That's about all I'm going to say about that right now until I get some more things set in stone a little better. But we've got some content ideas for down there as well. See how things go. But like I say, let me know what you thought about this terrible video here. And consider subscribing. Maybe click the little bell so you'll know when I upload some more of this trash. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for stopping by.